Mi nombre es Víctor Ancalaf Llaupe.
My name is Victor Ancalaf Llaupe, former Mapuche political prisoner, convicted by the anti-terrorist law to 5 years and 1 day on presumption of terrorist crimes. Despite the fact that I served an unjust sentence in January 2007, I continue to be watched by the law and order forces of the Chilean state and have been threatened by death by paramilitary commander Trizano. This has meant continuous intimidation against my person and family. Even my minor children were recently threatened in our own home. Throughout the historical demands that have been placed by our people, we have been, as a result of this, we have been strongly crushed, beaten, tortured, murdered, and imprisoned in our fight to recover our political and territorial rights. Our objective is to achieve sustainable development on the basis of our cosmic vision as an original people, which allows us to overcome poverty and improve our quality of life. The application of repressive laws, including those introduced during the military dictatorship, which were extensively questioned by the international community, have given free rein to detentions, raids on property, and irregular trials, which have been repeatedly denounced in this forum. Repression has meant the militarization of Araucania, which is the Mapuche ancestral land, which has resulted in the fact that in the last 6 years, 6 Mapuche members of our community have been murdered, both during the dictatorship and during so-called democracies. Human rights of the Mapuche people have been systematically violated, despite the fact that Chilean laws indicate that it is the duty of the state, in particular, to protect and promote the development of original peoples. Representing my community, I would call upon the competent bodies of this council to take the necessary measures to ensure that Chile lives up to the international norms in the area of human rights and fundamental freedoms, to ensure that these extend to the Mapuche people, opting for a political solution, meeting the just demands of our people, and not resorting to a criminalization of our rights. Thank you, Mr.